How to automatically create and attach PDF invoices to customer order emails. In this example, we are going to use a plugin called WooCommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. Install the plugin. Once it is installed, go to the plugin settings via the WooCommerce tab. Then PDF Invoices. On the General tab in the plugin dashboard, there are many options to customize the PDF invoice, such as creating a template. For this example, we are going to add our store logo and store name. You could also add the shop address, footer terms and conditions, and additional fields. Let's save the changes. Now, on the Documents tab, select where the PDF should be attached. The new order, cancelled order, failed order emails are sent to the store or shop admin. Order on hold, processing order, completed order, refunded order, customer note emails are sent to the customer. Change the default settings as desired. Let's save the changes. The packing slip can also be enabled. Now let's look at a sample PDF invoice and packing slips. Open an existing order. Scroll down. Let's click both of these PDFs to preview. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.